These are two of the vehicles which scored big in the newest Insurance Institute's Top Safety Pick Awards for 2025. Of the scores of vehicles tested, only 48 got a thumbs up in the new advanced tests.
We're a little disappointed that we didn't have more vehicles on the list. We've been working on this test now for a few years, but this was the first year that we elevated the criteria for performing well in this particular test.
So you're probably wondering, what's changed? Well, the answer is right in here. You see, they've modified their tests to make sure that the rear seat passengers, especially the kids, are better protected.
So we've really felt like this was an opportunity now to shift the focus to how we can do a better job of protecting those in the rear seat of the vehicle. Things like adding the advanced belt technologies, things like pre-tensioners that will pull you back into position just before the crash, and then load limiters, which will allow the belt to unspool slightly during the crash.
36 of the tested vehicles made this list of Top Safety Pick Plus, and 12 others earned Top Safety Pick. There were certain models of vehicles, certain categories of vehicles that were completely excluded. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, this may have been the most disappointing result of all the tests that we have run. There are no minivans, there are no what we classify as small crew cab pickups, and these are vehicles that are often sold or purchased by consumers as being vehicles to haul their families or multiple passengers in.
Now, just because a vehicle failed these tests doesn't mean that it's a rolling road hazard.
We always have to remind ourselves that the vehicles that are out there, the vehicle that was a top safety pick vehicle last year or the year before or 3 or 4 years ago is still a very safe vehicle. Our job is to continue to raise the bar and make future vehicles even safer.
With the price of new vehicles so high right now, you may not be in a position to buy one of these, so compromise and buy as much safety as you can afford, which meets the needs of you and your family.
Meanwhile, the Institute will continue to test more vehicles in the coming months, so if you don't see one that meets your criteria right now, wait a little bit. You may find one. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Sprague.